Exness Affiliate Tutorial: How to Make Money with Exness Referral Program. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing on how you will be able to earn money and the process, and I'm going to suggest to you how you will be able to proceed with getting some affiliates to sign up as well. So over here right now on our screen, I have currently visited their website, and let's go together and explore how their affiliate program works. Now, as you can see here, their affiliate program works. They are leading the industry with the scheduled and attractive payouts. They drive traffic to Exness, and we will be able to get commission up to $1,850 for each users that becomes an active client. So we have a big payout over here, big potential payout, if we are able to successfully get users that will become active clients. Now, what do they offer? As you can see here, we will be able to get up to 1,850 based on the country, of course, the platform, and the size of your deposits or of the deposit of our referral mix. So this depends on our client, of course. So we're going to have to try our luck, and hopefully out of the many that we will be able to attract, or out of the many that we will be able to get views on, we will be able to get someone who will be an active user and actually deposit a huge amount of money into Exness. Now, as you can see here, the minimum first time deposit is $10. They will be able to accept traffic from more than 130 countries, and there will be a daily payout and extra bonuses for the best performance. So you will be recognized the better your performance is, so you don't have to worry about your performance or your efforts being wasted. Now, they also give you reasons why you should choose Exness as your affiliate partner. They are trusted market leaders. They are Exness brokers, are regulated by the FSA, CYSEC, FCA, FSCA, FSC, and many more. They are also accepting traffic from all platforms, from web, iOS, and Android. So we will be able to create different types of promotion that would be applicable to be promoted through the web, through the iOS, or the Android. They will also provide some promotional tools and material to help us attract clients. So we don't need to start from scratch. We don't need to create our promotion for Exness from scratch. They will be able to provide us with different things to help us. But we could also do it on our own if you want. If you prefer using your own tools and your own methods, that is completely up to you as well. And one of the most important things, we will be able to check some detailed real-time statistics such as API and postbacks. And here are some different payment systems and integration that are present with Exness, as you can see here. So to get started, or how it works is you direct your traffic. Simply place your affiliate link on any web platform or any promotion that you create, and that would create traffic by having your clients or having the users click on the link that is going to be provided to you. And if ever that client is attracted and makes a deposit of a minimum 10 peso or $10, you will be able to get your commission. And you will have, or you will be able to get up to $1,850 directly to our account. So that is how their affiliate process works. It's a very straightforward. So let's actually go and click on Start Now so we could proceed and show you guys how to apply. So simply click on Start Now. We will be redirected to the registration page, as you can see here. Now, there are some requirements over here. You're simply going to enter your email address, your nickname, and over here, you will be able to enter your password, of course. And then you're going to have to enter your legal status. You have individual and company, the selected compensation model, your country of residence, and many more. And you're simply going to click on Submit. Now, this is like an application form, and you're going to have to wait for them to actually process your information. And as you can see here, they will contact you by email as soon as possible after they reviewed your application over here. So it's a very easy process. On the traffic sources, there's a lot of different sources of traffic that you could create. You have your in-app or social media, native, pop, video, push, banner, or email. So you can simply select the traffic that you think you would use for gathering some users to use Exness. But I think the most popular one is social media. And you can select like a video, banner, or something like that. And the better your sources of traffic, the more sources of traffic that you could use and create, the better your chances of being applied, or the better your chances of being accepted into their affiliate program. Now, assuming you get accepted to their affiliate program, now how do you now proceed? Now, there are multiple ways of how you could proceed. You could use the tool, the promotional tools and materials that Exness would actually provide to you, or you could also use your own promotional method. You could use Canva, which is an online editing platform that you could use for literally any project. You will be able to create some simple images, some videos, and other presentations as well. For example, let's go with an Instagram reel. We could use this platform to create like a very basic presentation or a very basic promotion for Exness partners over here, as you can see here. So you can simply click on the elements over here, search for some related topics about Exness. Let's go with a topic for Bitcoin, something like that, or trading, online trading. Then you click on videos over here. Then you can simply drag and drop over here. There we go. And then you could simply add some voiceovers that you have. You could then research about Exness, what Exness is about, and you could like explain through the video. You could add some caption over here. For example, let's say Exness is an amazing platform that you guys could potentially earn a lot of money with. You could earn up to $100 or more by simply signing up on our link in the description, something like that. Then you can simply proceed to click on share, download. Then you could download this as an MP4, and you can simply share this to Instagram or your different platforms. Now, if you don't want to use these videos over here in the elements, if you don't think those are really good enough, you can go and proceed to Excels, which would have some royalty photos and videos that you could use. You can search for stock market over here. There we go. And as you can see here, there's a lot of photos and even videos that you could utilize for you guys, as you can see here. So the way you build your video is completely up to you. You could utilize Canva. It's a very good platform. You could put together some basic videos or compilation, just like what I'm doing right now. And you could create a really unique video and promotion. You could use any type of social media out there. You have Facebook, Instagram. You could even use Twitter if you want. You have YouTube Shorts. You even have TikTok. So the method is completely up to you guys. But that's basically it, guys. Hope you guys will be able to get some response from Exness once you apply. But that is how you will be able to earn some money. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.